Hello, everyone. It's Paulina. Today, I'm going on a shopping adventure in one of the most famous malls in Dubai. I need to buy a dress, a purse, and a new pair of shoes. But who knows what surprises I'll find along the way. Let's go shopping together and learn useful English phrases. First surprise. Wow. This mall is incredible. So many stores, bright lights, and stylish collections everywhere. I see luxury brands, beautiful decorations, and so many people shopping. Oh wait, what's that? A live fashion show. Let's stop and watch for a moment. These outfits are stunning. It's like a dream for a fashion lover like me. I wish I could buy something straight from the runway. Alright, time to start shopping. A little mishap. There are so many beautiful dresses here. I want something elegant, maybe in black or blue. Should I get a long dress or a short one? A fitted dress or something flowy? Oh. This one looks perfect. Let me try it on. Oops. The zipper is stuck. I can't get it open. What should I do? Alright, deep breath. Finally. That was funny. But the dress looks amazing, so I'm definitely buying it. Let's check the fabric. It's soft and comfortable. And it fits perfectly. This is exactly what I was looking for. Alright, let's go to the counter. How much does it cost? 450 dirhams? That's a good price for such a beautiful dress. I'll pay by card. An unexpected deal. Now, I need a matching purse. Let's check this section. So many beautiful designs. Should I get a small clutch or a bigger handbag? This one is perfect. It's stylish and matches my dress. Wait, there's a buy one get one free offer? That's amazing. Now, I get 2 designer bags for the price of one. What a lucky day. I wasn't planning to buy 2, but I can't miss this deal. I'll take this one in black and another one in beige. They will match most of my outfits. A tough choice. I can't forget shoes. I need something elegant to match my outfit. Let's see, high heels or flats? These silver heels look gorgeous, but these black ones are classic. Which one should I get? Let me try them on. Oh, these feel comfortable. But are they easy to walk in? Let me take a few steps. Yes. They are stylish and comfortable. That's important when buying shoes. Okay, decision made. I'll take the silver heels. They will add a little sparkle to my outfit. A unique dessert. Shopping is fun but also tiring. Time for a little break. Let's go to this cafe and try something special. Wow. They have a gold-covered ice cream. I've never seen that before. Should I try it? Well, why not? I'm in Dubai. Let's taste it. Delicious and fancy. Only in Dubai. This is definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Okay, break time is over. Let's buy one last thing before I leave. A celebrity surprise. Before I leave, I want to buy a perfume. I love collecting fragrances. Let me try this one. Wow, it smells amazing. It's a bit expensive, but it's worth it. I'll take it. Wait, is that a famous influencer? Oh my. They're shopping right here. Dubai is full of surprises. Should I ask for a photo? No, they look busy. But wow, what an exciting day. What an exciting shopping adventure. Today, I found the perfect dress, a beautiful purse, stylish shoes, and even got a surprise deal. And, of course, I enjoyed some amazing gold ice cream. Let's review some useful English phrases. How much does it cost? Do you have this in another color? These shoes are comfortable. Wow, this perfume smells amazing. Is there a special discount? Can I pay by card? Do you have a matching bag for this dress? Practice these phrases next time you go shopping. See you in the next lesson. Bye. I hope you enjoyed following Paulina's shopping adventure and picked up some new English phrases related to shopping. If you found this video helpful and fun, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can learn too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.